Welcome to homework.
Okay, so the setup for this question is we're in the sort of Pacific Northwest of the United States. That's going to be sort of Washington and Oregon and maybe Northern California here. Okay, and we're trying to set up a marine preserve of some sort. And along this preserve, there are a handful of Native American reservations. Okay, and these Native American reservations do a lot in fishing. Okay, so they play a role in the fish that are in this reserve. So while trying to design this preserve, the question is, well, who should design the preserve? And so, first of all, having marine biologists is a huge help, right? Both marine biologists and oceanographers will be able to play a role in sort of understanding what is happening in that system. So the growth rate and death rate and terrain and processes that affect the organisms in there will be best understood by those people. But we also need policymakers, right? Because if you just ask people nicely to not fish here, some of the large fisheries, they probably won't listen. So they actually need laws and legislation to make sure that that does not become excessive. But it's also very important to take into account what is happening at these reservations. How much are these folks fishing? How can we ensure that their culture is not impacted while maintaining the preservation process? And so all of these agents should be involved in designing the preserve if it's going to be effective. And so that's represented by letter choice D.